All right, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so now it's time for doors. Paint. Paint's going in. 36-inch door, looks beautiful. Nice and big and wide. They start with the ceiling, then we're gonna paint the walls. We've already done the ceilings down here. I love the smell of fresh paint. Always double check your properties and make sure that they're locked after guys leave for the day. Just a precaution. Okay. And they surgical with that joint. They are fast. All right. Okay, looking gorgeous. Guys are fast. Looks good. Now we put the door right down for the tile. This is just, when you walk in, the light and the master is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. We'll need some more door rock. Oh, they got door rock right there. Okay, this is gonna be the walk-in. So this is the master. Double sink's gonna go here. Walk-in shower. This is gonna be shower glass. Tile all the way up. Got a beautiful tile. It's gonna be gorgeous. See what it looks like at the door close. Yeah. Okay. Check back after paint is done, and we'll see how it's going. I love how wide these steps are. Okay. Whoever buys this place is gonna love it.